Team Forex Moguls back again, guys, with another segment. Um, as always, ngihlezi ngiqala ngesixwayiso sethu, which is lese ngisibhale la ngendaba yama-signals nama-groups nokuthi siyafundisa, and angiyona nkosi yami, asiyona i-financial advisor, and i-forex is very risky, so kudingeka ukuthi ube nolwazi oluphelele before uyiqale. So namhlanje I don't wanna waste any time, ngifuna ukuthi nje sivele singene kulento. Basically namhlanje into esizokhuluma ngayo ama-currency pairs. Ama-currency pairs ke like abalulekile a lot because iyona nto o-trade ngayo leyo, so if ungayi-understand indaba yawo clearly ngeke kuze ku-understandeke ukuthi uyenze imali. So kwi-forex, guys, number one, njengoba ngibhalile lapha, never trade one pair. Ngamanye amazwi leya nto ichaza ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi uma ungena kwi-market ungene nge-currency eyodwa, meaning ukuthi njengoba mawubona laphaya, not kwi-chart but kukhona le ndawo nje kwi-MT5 eseceleni, uthola ukuthi inama-currencies anjengokuthi Euro USD or USD JPY. Kahle kahle ngiye ngachaza phambilini ngathi mina mawubona USD no JPY no JPY usuke kuchaza ukuthi i-USD it's a country, i-JPY it's a country. USD obviously it's America, and then JPY i-Japan. So ngeke ukwazi ukuthi ufice i-USD iyodwa nje ingahambi na country ehwebelana nayo. It's impossible, it's not like that. That is actually what it means lapho, ukuthi ngeke uzuyifice i-currency iyodwa, ngeke uzuyifica. There has to be both currencies asuke endawonye ngaleso sikhathi ihwebelwana. That's what it actually means. Number two, mayithi laphana one currency and another, kahle kahle ichaza lento engizama ukuyichaza futhi ku number one, ukuthi you never find ama-currency pairs ehamba wodwa. There has to be one currency against another, njengoba ngisho ukuthi fanele ukuthi kube ama-country awu-2 ahwebelana ndawonye. That's basically it. And leyo nto leyo, njengoba unumber 3 wethu i-compared to another currency, unumber 3 wethu it basically says ukuthi ilona i-currency or imali iba ne-value mawukuthi izokhomperishwa nenye i-currency. Ayikwazi ukuba ne-value ihamba yodwa, it has to correlate. Angazi noma mhlawumbe isingisi sengisi-ede kakhulu, but kumele ukuthi kube khona ukuqhathaniswa ukuze kubonakale i-value yento ukuthi ingakanani. So that is actually what it means, number 3. Then number 4, uku-understand ama-currency pairs. Now mangithi ukwa-understanda, ngisuke ngichaza ukuthi lokho kukusiza ekutheni wazi ukuthi why are you buying and why are you selling. It makes you understand ukuthi yini le oyithengayo, yini le oyidayisayo. Like it gets you to understand ukuthi kahle kahle ukhuluma ngani, yabo. And lokho kubalekile ngoba phela lezi zinto zihlukanisiwe ngeindlela zazo, yabo. So that is actually what layer number 4 uchaze lo. So number 5 is basically understanding ukuthi imaphi ama-types of currencies esikhuluma ngawo, and ngizowaname and ngiwa-explain futhi. So let's get into it. Yini currency pair? First of all, i-currency pair, it's actually a value of a country, but kukuthi nge-language yakhona ibizwa ngokuthi i-currency. So leyo value leyo ayikwazi ukuthi ibe valuable mawukuthi iyodwa nje ingaqhathaniswanga namanye ama-country or namanye ama-currencies. So it's basically that. Uyayibona? For an example, let's say u-Euro USD kunelona-ke kune-pricing yakhona-ke. U-Euro USD let's say u-1.1000 asisho kanjalo because usually kuba nama-figure akhona athe ukuhluka nje than nama-normal ratings. Lento ichaza ukuthini mangithiwa 1.1000 ichaza ukuthi i-euro lilodwa is exactly or it is equal to $1.10. Ngamazi i-euro lisuke lilikhulu ngoba i-value yayo inkulu. Lithi maliqhathaniswa ne-USD libe $1.10. That is actually what it means, right? And i-euro ibizwa njenge-first currency. I-first currency is called i-base currency. Then le currency yesibili, which is USD, is called the quotes currency. That is actually what currency is. Yabo? Then emva lokho ke sizoya kuma types of currency pairs. Number 1 uba nama major pairs. Ama major pairs yilawa mfethu amuva i-markets and nathandwa kakhulu abantu abaningi. And most of them asetshenziswa or are include i-USD, which is number 1 Euro USD, number 2 GBP USD, and number 3 which is USD JPY. Yabo? Lama currencies ke bafethu ama currencies atradewa kakhulu, like they are major, like wonke umuntu nje prefera wona. Why be prefera? Number 1 is because ane spread esincane, and number 2 indlela amuva ngayo is very smooth. Ngeke uze uyithole idadada yabo isakazeka yonke indawo, no. Uyayibona nje ipattern yakhona, and they are very good for beginners. Very good for beginners, right? That is the first currency pairs, which is major pairs. Number 2 mase kuba khona nama minor pairs. Lawa ke awangayi-include ke i-USD, hawayi-include. Ama example aloko, it's when you find i-euro lihwebelana ne-GBP, euro, GBP or AUD, NZD. Wona ke athanda ukuthi abe nama volatility kodwa angekho mankulu, yabo, but ayaba nayo i-volatility, like ukuthi nje kube ngathi nje aspike kakhulu, yabo, but awekho as bad, yabo, than nama exotic pairs, yabo. Lele exotic pairs ilawo okugcina. Lawa ke it's for those countries that are still developing kwi-market rank, yabo. Ama lona afana no USD zana ke South Africa, and then USD try. I-try ke it's another country. Ukuthi sengilibele ukuthi iyiphi leyo country, but nje it's another country. It's a developing country in the economy of financial sector, yabo. Lawa are very volatile and anama spread amakhulu and are very much risky, so you need to be very much careful more ukuthi utrade lawa ma pairs, right? And then mase siza kwi-point lethu ke lokugcina, which is why ama currency pairs move. So ama currency pairs ke guys amoviswa izinto eziwu-4. Number 1 ama interest rates, number 2 economic news, number 3 ama political event, number 4 ama market sentiment, yabo. Izona zinto eziwu-4 lezo ke ezenza i-market ukuthi inyakaze or enza lama markets anyakaze. So I would really love guys ukuthi ke kuyo yonke into engifundisa yona nenze sure ukuthi you go and practice. Njengoba idemo kade sivulile, uhambe uyobheka ama-major currency pairs, uwa-trade, ubone ngempela ukuthi lento le engiyichaza iyona yini, nokuthi-ke amuva kangakanani. Is it the same way as like ama-major noma ama-minor, yabo? So that you begin to be more familiar, yabo? And ama-tips nama-warnings engifisa ukuthi nginikeze wona as ama-beginner, make sure ukuthi awuhambe u-add ama-currency pairs awu-30, u-1 currency noma 2 focus kulowo kuphela, yabo? Wa-avoid futhi lama-exotics until uzube right, uzube nje well experienced, yabo, eku-understandeni wona, yabo? Ungahambi ugxumagxuma because leyo nto leyo izokuconfuse a lot. So guys, thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for listening, and subscribe, like, comment, and on the road to 3,000 manje subscribers, kanjalo, but make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and if ever ninga understand, make sure you comment down below, and then i-segment nje ngizoyenza izoziphele. So thank you so much guys, team Forex Moguls, let's get it. Danko.